This is the Cicada group. Cicada Facts by Emma and Katie.
Habitat. But baby cicadas live underground. Adult cicadas live in grass and trees above the ground. They live around the world, except for Antarctica because they freeze.
Basic needs. Young cicadas suck sap from tree roots. Adult cicadas eat plants.
Body parts. Cicadas are 1 to 2 inches long.
2.5 centimeters.
Cicadas walk on 6 legs. Cicadas use their 4 wings to fly. Did you also know they have 5 eyes?
Cicadas are afraid of cicada killers. Cicadas have 4 wings. They are 5-eyed. Females lay to 600 eggs. Cicadas are insects. Their youngs are called nymphs.
And those are some really cool facts about cicadas.